Welcome to the endless horizon of your own perfection. Take a slow, luxury breath of this crystalline air. You haven't just arrived at a destination. You have expanded into the very space of your own life. Your arrival is the most celebrated event in the history of the seamless reality. Let the magnitude of this unshakable position wash over you. The journey of unfolding has culminated here, in this perfect space of celebration. Everything you once reached for, every vision of wealth, every pulse of love, is no longer ahead of you. It is resting securely in your hands. You have pulled back the golden curtain and discovered the truth of the cosmos. You are the master. You are the always present awareness, and the physical plane is your reflection. Because you are resting here, fully awake to your power, the entire universe is currently organizing a breathtaking celebration in your honor. It is rolling out golden pathways for your every step. It is singing your praises through every beautiful serendipity and every sudden windfall. You chose yourself. You recognized your own infinite worth. Now, the seamless reality is reflecting that royal decision back to you in 1,000 different ways. Notice the peaceful spaciousness in your mind when you allow this truth to settle. Notice the smile that comes from knowing that the heavy lifting is being done by the light itself. You have embraced the fact that your default existence is one of absolute ease. There is no distance between your quiet assumptions and the world around you. They are one continuous tapestry of light, and you are the radiant weaver. This is the natural state. It is your birthright. It is the baseline of perfection you were always meant to enjoy. Here, abundance is the oxygen you breathe. Love is the ground you walk on. Financial freedom and physical harmony are the scenery of your daily experience. You don't have to build them. You simply assume your position on the throne of your consciousness, and the kingdom organizes its structure to serve you. Feel that certainty in your chest. It is a warm, permanent confidence. It is the cellular knowing that you have already won. The script of your success is written. The masterpiece is finished. You are simply enjoying the process of watching it reveal itself in your world. Your consciousness dictates your reality. Every thought of having is registered by the unified field. This field is your loyal, unquestioning servant. It rushes to mold the atoms and align the perfect people to match your frequency, effortlessly, because your joy is its highest priority. Now, let this peace go deeper. Feel your body. It is safe. It is held by the same energy that orchestrates the spinning galaxies. Your physical form is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Right now, it is vibrating with the frequency of having it all. Every cell is celebrating your clarity. Every fiber is relaxing into the certainty that you are infinitely provided for. You are resting in the relief of the present. You have collapsed the illusion of time. The feeling of your greatest desire is available right now, and the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it is an established physical fact. Imagine the luxury of living from this royal vantage point. You wake up every morning with a relaxed excitement, knowing the day is designed to delight you. You walk into every room with the authority of a creator who knows their worth. People feel it. They are drawn to your light. They treat you with respect because they are reflecting the royalty you hold within. They are all messengers saying, yes, you are exactly who you know yourself to be. Receive their messages with a knowing smile. Of course is your baseline. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. It could not be any other way. The seamless reality is devoted to your joy. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are perpetually delighted. If you feel this soaring joy expanding within you, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your sovereign presence. Subscribe to this frequency of continuous receiving. Like this transmission as a physical mark of your alignment. Join this community of creators who have realized they are the untroubled rulers of their own experience. Every time you return to this channel, you are confirming your unshakable power. You are saying yes to your own perfection. From this moment forward, allow the unfolding to continue. Let the golden river of your own consciousness carry you toward greater heights of joy and staggering levels of wealth. You are the master. You are the center. Your reality is as magnificent as you are. Anchor this truth now. Create a permanent monument to your mastery. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the boundless, radiant horizon of my absolute perfection. And so it is. And so you are. Forever resting in the light of your own seamless creation.